Monica here with Fearless Cooking. If I look a little bit crazy today, well, I am. 60 days of isolation is okay. We're fine. Everything is good. I was thinking of the beginning of our social distancing, and I thought of my grandma, my Oma. And what would she have said if she would have heard that people are hoarding toilet paper? Are they crazy? Cabbage and potatoes is what they need. In honor of my Oma, I like to do a dish that she made. In Russia, in Ukraine, in Polish, it has different kind of names. Halushki, halushka, it all depends where you're from. I have decided to put my thing in for Krautvlecken. So basically, there's 4 ingredients. You need cabbage, you need noodles, and you need onions, and you need bacon. Bacon is not such a necessity as if you're vegetarian, then by all means leave it out. And all we want to do is get it a little bit of brown here, and then we add our onions. I'm not using much salt as we have plenty of salt in here. In the meantime, the onions are starting to caramelize in the bacon, and I will cut up the cabbage. I took the core out. I don't want it in too big, so I'm going to do about this size. Cabbage will shrink once you start cooking it. There's a lot of water coming out, and you just roughly chop that up. So the onions are starting to caramelize. You don't want it too much, because then see how the bacon gets nice and brown here. So this is the time where we're putting the cabbage in, the cut up cabbage in chunks. It looks a lot at first, but cabbage will disintegrate. You don't really need such a large pan as I do, but it works better to show you guys. So now I'm putting some garlic in here, chopped up garlic, and you need lots of garlic. And I'm also putting some sugar in it, but this is stevia because we're trying to cut down on our sugar. But just a little dash of sugar in there. Stevia is the same way as regular sugar. And now we're just going to get that water out of the cabbage and get the whole thing softened and caramelized together. And now I'm going to put some more spices in there. Paprika is always the best thing to have. You will not insult any of the Eastern countries if you do. And I'm putting a few sprigs of thyme in there. It's not a necessity that you put thyme in. As I mentioned, these are German egg noodles. The best thing is spaghetti and things like this is not a good thing because the sauce, the whole thing will not cling to it. You want it kind of turned. You can also use gnocchis if you like. So we're going to use a little bit. I made some vegetable stock because I didn't want to throw out the leaves, the cabbage leaves. Now I'm going to put a little bit of dark water in here. So here we are, about 10 minutes later. This whole thing has cooked down. See how lovely those onions are caramelized and give the whole thing the real good taste. The pasta is ready. Always keep your pasta water or part of it. Don't throw it in down the sink. It's great for soups, for stock, or any time that you need water instead of. You have great starch in there. You don't need to rinse the pasta off with cold water. Not a good thing to do. Now you could add some sausages. You can add some ricotta cheese as we have, homemade, of course. You can use this as a side dish. It's just a beautiful, best thing would be goat cheese. A lot of people in the Balkans like goat cheese, and this is really gives it a lovely flavor. And I like to put a little bit of yogurt on top as well. You can make this as spicy as you like, or as mild as you like. You can add anything, make it your own dish. It's just 4 ingredients. There you go. This is just cabbage and noodles. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, follow, cook. We'll see you later.